Question number 1. The genital pouch in female cockroach is formed by. The correct answer is option D, all of these. In female cockroach, the genital pouch is formed by the 7th, 8th and 9th sterna together. They enclose the genital chamber and the vestibulum, which are very important parts of reproduction. Question number 2. The brood pouch of female cockroach consists of. The correct answer is option B, genital chamber and vestibulum. The brood pouch is designed for carrying developing eggs. It has two sections, the genital chamber and the vestibulum. Inside the pouch, the eutheca or egg case develops and keeps the eggs safe. Moving on to the next question. Select the incorrect statement from the following about cockroach. The correct answer is option C. The mosaic vision of cockroach has less sensitivity but more resolution. Actually, mosaic vision in cockroach is the opposite. It has high sensitivity but very poor resolution. This helps cockroaches see even in dim light, which is useful for their night activity. Question number 4. Which of the following form mosaic image in cockroach? The correct answer is option B, ommatidia. Each compound eye has nearly 2000 ommatidia. When these ommatidia work together, they form a complete mosaic image, which is how the cockroach views the world. Question number 5. How many pairs of spiracles are present in cockroach? The correct answer is option B, 10 pairs. A cockroach has 10 pairs of spiracles. Out of these, 2 pairs are in the thoracic region and 8 pairs are in the abdominal region. These spiracles help in respiration. Moving on to the 6th question. The opening of spiracles in cockroach is regulated by. The correct answer is option C, sphincters. Spiracles open and close with the help of sphincter muscles. This mechanism controls airflow and also prevents water loss from the cockroach's body. Question number 7. In cockroach, exchange of gases takes place at the tracheoles by. The correct answer is option D, diffusion. At the tracheoles, oxygen and carbon dioxide move directly by diffusion. This means gases move from high concentration to low concentration without needing any blood or transport system. Question number 8. Each Malpighian tubule in cockroach is lined by. The correct answer is option B, ciliated and glandular cells. Malpighian tubules are the main excretory organs. They are lined with glandular cells that help in secretion and ciliated cells that help in movement of waste material. Our next question is, which of the following help in excretion in cockroach? The correct answer is option C, uricose glands, flat bodies and nephrocytes. Beside Malpighian tubules, other structures like uricose glands, fat bodies and nephrocytes also help in excretion, removing nitrogenous waste from the body. Question number 10. If the head of cockroach is removed, it may live for few days because. The correct answer is option B. The head holds a small proportion of nervous system, while the rest is situated along the ventral part of its body. Most of nervous control in cockroach is done by ventral nerve cord, not the head. That's why even if the head is cut off, the body can survive for a few days. 11. Exoskeleton of cockroach has hardened plates called as. The correct answer is option B, sclerites. The cockroach exoskeleton is made of chitin, and the outer hardened plates on its body are called sclerites. These sclerites are joined by flexible membrane, giving the insect both protection and movement. Question 12. The head of cockroach shows great mobility in all directions because. Option B is the correct answer. Head is attached to the thorax through a flexible neck like pothorax. The head is connected to the thorax by a short flexible region. The flexible attachment allows the cockroach to move its head freely in many directions to locate food and sense the environment. Number 13. In the mouth parts of cockroach, dash acts as upper lip, dash acts as lower lip, and dash acts as the tongue. The correct answer is option A. Labrum, labium, and hypopharynx. The labrum functions as the upper lip, the labium acts as the lower lip, and the hypopharynx is a tongue-like structure that helps in manipulating food and swallowing. Together with mandibles and maxillae, these parts form an efficient biting and chewing mouth. 14. About how many times does the nymph of Periplaneta americana undergoes molting before becoming an adult? Option D is the correct answer. 13. The nymph of Periplaneta americana passes through about 13 molts before reaching the adult stage. Each molt allows the insect to grow and gradually develop adult features like wings. Male cockroach can be identified from the female by the presence of. Option D, anal styles is the correct answer. Anal styles are small conical projections near the end of abdomen found only in males. These are useful external markers to distinguish males from females during identification. Question 16. In cockroach, the testes are present in. The correct answer is option B, 4th, 5th, and 6th abdominal segments. The male cockroach has a pair of testes located in the 4th, 5th, and 6th abdominal segments. These testes produce sperm which later on move into the semivesicles for storage. 17. Mushroom gland has. Option D, all of the above is the correct answer. The mushroom gland in male cockroach is an accessory reproductive gland. It consists of long tubules, small tubules, and seminal vesicles, all of which contribute secretions important for nourishing and packaging the sperm. 18. Where are sperm stored in male cockroach? Option B, seminal vesicles is the correct answer. After being produced in the testes, the sperms are transferred through vasa deferentia and stored inside the seminal vesicles until copulation. From here, they are released during mating. Number 19. Chitinous teeth present in gizzard for crushing food are. Option D, 6 is the correct answer. The gizzard is a muscular grinding organ that has 6 chitinous teeth. These teeth crush and grind the food into smaller particles, making it easier for digestion. Question number 20. Blind tubules that open at the junction of foregut and midgut are. The correct answer is option B, hepatic ceca. At the junction of foregut and midgut, there is a finger-like blind tubules called hepatic ceca. These secrete digestive enzymes which help in the digestion of food. Our next question is, in cockroach, Malpighian tubules help in. Option B, excretion is the correct answer. Malpighian tubules remove nitrogenous waste like uric acid and also help in maintaining water balance in the body. 22. The main function of gizzard in cockroach is. The correct answer is option B, grinding of food. The gizzard has a thick muscular walls with 6 chitinous teeth. These teeth grind the food into fine particles before it enters the midgut. Number 23. Which of the following acts as the brain of cockroach? The correct answer is option A, supraoesophageal ganglion. The ganglion lies above the oesophagus and controls the compound eyes, antennae, and other sensory organs. It acts as the brain of cockroach. Moving on to 24th question. How many ovules are present in each ovary of cockroach? The correct answer is option C, 8. Each ovary of female cockroach contains 8 ovules. These ovules are the sites where egg develops. Number 25. In female cockroach, ootheca contains. The correct answer is option C, 12 to 14 eggs. Each egg case or ootheca encloses 12 to 14 eggs, protecting them until they are ready to hatch. Number 26. Ootheca in cockroach is formed by the secretion of. The correct answer is option A, collateral glands. In female cockroach, the collateral glands secrete a hard, dark brown material that forms the protective egg case or ootheca. Number 27. Which structure is present only in female cockroach? The correct answer is option B, ovipositor. The ovipositor helps the female cockroach in laying eggs. It's not found in males. Moving on to question number 28. How many oothecae are produced by a female cockroach in her lifetime? The correct answer is option C, 20 to 30. A female cockroach produces about 20 to 30 oothecae in her lifetime, each containing multiple eggs. Question number 29. Which of the following is the excretory product of cockroach? The correct answer is option B, uric acid. Cockroaches are uricotelic animals, meaning they excrete nitrogen mainly in the form of uric acid, which conserves water. Our next question is, in cockroach, fat body is functionally similar to. The correct answer is option A, liver and adipose tissue. The fat body stores food, detoxifies harmful substances, and helps in metabolism, just like the liver and adipose tissue in vertebrates. Question 31. The sense organs in cockroach are located on. The correct answer is option A, antennae, maxillary palps, and anal cerci. These structures detect smell, taste, touch, and vibrations, helping the cockroach sense its surroundings. Number 32. In cockroach, which part of the alimentary canal stores food temporarily? The correct answer is option A, crop. The crop acts as a storage sac, where food is stored before passing into the gizzard for grinding. Question number 33. Which part of cockroach helps in grinding food? The correct answer is option B, gizzard. The gizzard has muscular walls and 6 chitinous teeth that crush and grind food into fine particles. Moving on to question number 34. The body cavity of cockroach is called. Option B, hemocoel, is the correct answer. Cockroach has an open circulatory system where blood flows freely into body spaces called hemocoel instead of being inside vessels. Question number 35. Which one of the following is absent in the circulatory system of cockroach? The correct answer is option D, capillaries. Cockroach blood does not flow through capillaries. Instead, it directly bathes the tissue into the hemocoel. Our next question is, how many chambers are present in the heart of cockroach? Option D, 13, is the correct answer. The heart of cockroach is long and tubular, consisting of 13 chambers that pump blood forward. 37. The anal cerci in cockroach function as. The correct answer is option B, sensory organs. Anal cerci are paired appendages at the end of the abdomen. They are sensitive to air movements and vibrations, warning the cockroach of danger. Number 38. The nerve cord in cockroach is. Option B is the correct answer, ventral and solid. Unlike humans, the cockroach has a ventral solid double nerve cord with segmental ganglia that controls body activities. Number 39. The type of eye found in cockroach is. The correct answer is option D, both compound eye and mosaic eye. Cockroaches have compound eyes made of many ommatidia, and together they form a mosaic vision, which is highly sensitive to dim light. Moving on to the last question. Which one of the following is characteristic feature of cockroach? The correct answer is option A, cold-blooded, triploblastic and coelomate. Cockroaches are cold-blooded insects. They have 3 germ layers, triploblastic and a true coelom, making them coelomates. तो ये था आज का MCQ प्रैक्टिस सेशन. सब्सक्राइब करो बायो वोंट बाइट फॉर मोर नीट बायोलॉजी प्रैक्टिस. अपना स्कोर कमेंट्स में लिखो. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, अर्थवॉर्म. कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग बिकॉज बायो वोंट बाइट.